Okay, so let's go to your back office. Can you log into your e-economy back office? No, this is your ECA. Log into your back office itself, like your home office, your home page. Thank you. Okay, can you drag my icon out, completely out? Drag it completely out to the left. Thank you. Okay, so put in your login details. Okay, so guys, the first thing you do when you get started here, I'm just going to start from the beginning because I don't want to assume that some persons have passed here and some persons are not here. I'm just going to go through everything from the beginning. Once you get started on here, right, the first thing you want to go to is your ECA. So if you're not seeing if you don't know where to locate your ECA, we're going to be guiding you. And if you just started today, just follow us, follow what we are doing. The essence of this call is so that you can also follow the same process. The only difference is that you're just seeing what we're doing and we're implementing it. You're implementing it as well. So don't feel the need to just watch it like a movie. No. As we're logging into back office, you should be logging in. Anything is yours to just also implement from your end as well. So click on the white home button box. Okay, so on here you have Forex stocks because you're in the elite pack. So for those that are not, you have just Forex. So click on the drop down Forex. So first things first, you're going to go to your ECA, right? So click on ECA. Now log into your ECA. So you put your email address and password. Can you save your password this time around? So the first thing you need to know about the ECA is, guys, sorry, let me just put my phone on DND. Okay, let's continue. So on ECA, you click on ECA, right? You click on Forex. So if you're on the crypto space, you click on crypto, right? But we're doing Forex here. So you click on Forex, click on English, click on Beginners Forex. So you're going to see all of these videos. Come to the videos. No, don't flip your screen. You can actually see the videos without flipping your screen. Just just tap on that part. It will phase out the menu bar. Okay, guys, so you have all of these videos telling you what to do. Thank you. Telling you what to do. It says how to make profit in the world's largest. Like, this is your first stop. So keep scrolling. So you watch the welcome video. The welcome video actually shows you how to navigate your back office, because some people just don't know where what is what, and that is what the welcome video shows you. It shows you where you can find each and everything. So after your welcome video, you have this amazing short videos that tells you what forex is. So keep scrolling so they can see everything. It's not just one, it's about 13. So once you're done here, right, then the next thing you want to make sure that you are getting started with is your calendar, right? So let's go to that. Let's go. So okay, 17, right? Amazing. We have more now. And guys, take notes. They are short, so it's not even like you're going to spend, like, it's just short videos where you get the basic knowledge of stuff that you need to do. Because some people ask you, what is I don't know how to calculate pips. Did you actually, if you go to your ECA, it's there. They teach you all of this stuff. But then you don't watch like a movie. It's not a movie, it's for you to learn, right? So click on the three menu line, right? I'm gonna talk about the master class now. So come to the master class. We're still on ECA, then we'll move to the calendar. So come tap on it, same way we did before, like tap on the, exactly. So here you have schedules for the week. Did you click on master class? You can unmute, okay, so we can talk. Where are you going to? Can you go back? Let me just look for you, so I'll unmute you. Okay, you're muted. Are you trying to say something?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So click on your menu line back. So choose master class. Okay, drag my icon out. So tap on the calendar for the week. Choose week. You're on February. Scroll down. So guys, let's rotate your screen so everyone can see. Okay, so like I said, we saw how we got here, right? So daily you have activities happening in the academy, right? So today by 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. you have Abdullah coming up, you have Ralph on Wednesday, you have Ninja on Thursday. Basically, if you zoom closely, you can see them clearly, right? I'm also going to show you how to even see it clearer than this, right? But here you already know that now you basically have activities. Look at it. You can even click on it. Click on Abdullah Hafoch that comes up. Look at it. It describes everything for you. In this call, we trade live on the US stock market, focusing on the US 30 index. So you can even map this into your own personal schedule, because I know we have students plugged in from different parts of the world, right? For example, I myself am in the UK. So and this this is 2:30 p.m. UK time. So it's already configured to your zone. I think, okay, you're in the UK, right? So it's already configured to your time zone. So all you're doing is fitting it into your personal schedule, because you have people that say, oh, sometimes I miss signals, I miss this. Try to observe the calendar or what is happening for that week, fit it into your schedule. So even if you're missing signal from the WhatsApp, you know that, okay, oh, I'm joining her foot by so time. I'm joining this person on Wednesday, Raf, Manara trading session with Raf. I'm joining this. You understand? You're getting value for your money, right? So I'm not making money. It's not an excuse. It means that you are not actually being intentional with what you paid for. So let's move out of the calendar. Now we know we've understood some parts of the ECA that is very important. So, right, this is just easy. Everybody has access to this on your own. You can go later, check it out, write down the schedule. Everybody has different stuff that they're doing outside trading. For persons like me, this is what I do full time. Nothing pays better. So let's move to live trading session. So on the live trading session, you have Forex, you have stocks. So click on Forex. So you have MNUs, you have Pluto's indices, because you have the Pluto package, right? So you have Manara. So click on MNUs. You have MNUs Arabic. Okay, click on Arabic. I think that's already, we know her phone, she comes live. Look at each week's session, right? So for people who have never traded with Hafoch before, right, you can even watch some of these past weekly sessions and now get an idea of how his live trading session is. So the next time you're joining, or the first time you're joining, is not looking like Bala Blue to you. Why? Because you have been here and you've watched some of his past weekly sessions. So you already have an idea of how the live trading session works. It's not looking like, okay, fresh out of nowhere for you. It's you have seen it before. You're now familiar with some of the things he's going to use, the words he's going to use. It's no longer new. So I just needed to like highlight that, because some of us are in the ECA, but we don't really know what the ECA like really holds. Like, it has so much value, so much. So that's for Arabic itself. We have Pluto's indices. For you that is in the Pluto's pack, you need to be packing enough money. So, because Pluto's is next level stuff. Then you have Manara. So click on Manara. Live trading session. We're on live trading session. Forex. Manara. So we have Forex and Manara training. Some persons literally don't know how to take trades on Manara, but you have weekly trainings every single, like, I think Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You have trainings on Manara. So click on it. Click on Forex and Manara training. So look at this. So you have sessions, right? So for some of you even have laptops and or tablets or stuff. You can do this with your phone as well, right? But if you have laptop, you can also do that there. Familiarize yourself with these things. They already have a calendar on days where these training sessions takes place. But you that have missed some trainings that occurred, scroll down, you see it, past weekly sessions. No, scroll down where we are, sir. On the intro advanced past weekly sessions. Can you see the past weekly sessions?
Yeah, I'm trying to touch that, but
No, what are you doing? Can you communicate to me what you're trying to do? Like, let me know what you're trying to do.
You said I should scroll down. I'm trying to.
Yes, on past weekly sessions itself.
Oh,
Do you understand? So can you see that it pops up when you click on it? So
yeah,
tap on this so everyone can see the video full.
okay. So,
So look at this. Like you have a full learning hub here. Forex and Manara market structure. Like it's just next level. It's just next level. And this you clicked on past weekly stuff. So if we're going to even watch recent videos, right? So it's there, support and resistance, all of these things. It's a full like learning level stuff. I always like to let people know that your weekends are for learning. After trading Monday to Friday, right? Or maybe you trade from morning to 3 or 4 o'clock. Like once you've hit your daily target, come back to learning. Learning never stops. Learning never stops because the more you know, the more money you can make. That's just the truth. Learning never stops. Learning never stops. And this is what you paid for, right? So go back, click on, let's see, this is everything about the EC I wanted to show us. Like, so you have your calendar where you can schedule, fit your own personal schedule to the schedule that is already on ground that you have, right? And then we have the master class, we have live trading sessions, you can see all of these things. So now let's move into the next thing, right? So click on your menu line. We're going to leave the ECA entirely. So you need to click on the 17 box on your browser and then we go into your back office. So come up the login here. Yeah, thank you. So that's everything on that ECA. I really wanted us to know that existed. A lot of people did not know that. So come to your menu box. Forex, click on Forex. Click on Manara. So guys, sorry, before Manara, go back, sorry. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is how to join all Telegram groups, right? So for persons who have not joined Telegram group, and if you're already here and you've joined the Telegram group, just hold on. Some persons might not have, right? And just wait till we move on to the next schedule for the day. Like no knowledge is a waste, basically. So click on Eminos. This is your back office. So just simply log into your e-economy back office, right? So this is where on our back office homepage, and we have clicked on Eminos, right? So once you click on the white box on your homepage, right, it shows it brings out a menu for you. Under there, you will see Forex, and under Forex, we have chosen Eminos. So Eminus is one of the expert trading signals, right? And then you you just click the Telegram link. So let's click it. Okay, I think you might have joined already, but then let's just click it for those person who will be following what we are doing, right? So K is already part of it, right? There's a security measure, so we can't see it, but I know he can. Please confirm that you can, right?
you can.
Great. So let's go back and join other groups. So it's easy. If you've not done this, just follow what you just saw. You saw that we clicked the Telegram link, right? And that's just how you get plugged in. And once it tells you, oh, the link has expired, and you know that you're not there in the group, just click this fix the issue, then just click the Telegram link again. So let's go to Manara. Click on Manara. So we have the Telegram group as well. Scroll down. You click here, Telegram link, and you join the Telegram group as well. So come up. So come and choose Forex and Manara. You scroll down. You join the Telegram link as well also, right? So that's just how this works. And once you've joined all Telegram groups successfully, you want to now click on the software itself, which is showing us Access Manara now, the semi-automated bot. Access Manara now. So guys, for you just want to keep following us, and if you've not done this, just implement what you see us do. So click on Access Manara now. So Oni, you can get your back office is attached to your launch link. When you were launched on the group, your link was attached. But I'm going to just send the website link as well. So I've sent it to the group. Just click on it and log in. So once you log into your Manara, this is what you see. If you've not set up your Manara, just do this with us. It doesn't matter wherever if you've not set up your Manara, just follow us and do this, right? Even if you set it up, watch this, watch what we're doing. If you see that there's some mistake somewhere in what you did, correct it as you're watching us. Make the corrections. So if you've not logged in, go and log in now, right? So you can cross-check what you have with what you're seeing us do here. So click on the menu line. Click on this 3 menu line above. So let's come to monitor. You don't have Manara on your drop down. Reach up to your sponsor. Maybe your subscription is out, or maybe you're on the success pack. So it's if you're on the success pack, you don't have access to Manara. So please click on the 3 menu line and then choose monitor. Is it loading on network? Like, I'm not seeing. Click on monitor again.
I'm trying to click.
So why is your come to notification? Vicky, yours is not showing for us. You need to renew your subscription. So I don't know why yours is not showing. It means that you need to clear. You just paid today. You have not concluded payment. If not, Forex will be showing there. Did you get the confirmation mail for your order? Just reach out to your sponsor. They can help you better. So come to this 18. Let's try to close all tabs with let me pause this recording. Cannot be too long. Okay, so the first thing you want to do about your setup is you click on settings. You joined ECA and Spanish. That's great. Allow other people to focus. Thank you. So the first thing you want to do is click on settings. So you click on mature, right? For those of us who have Manara, please just follow through what we're doing. Click on mature, choose 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes. Please choose your 30 minutes. Thank you. Okay, so then the assets class, right? As beginners, we like to say that you should stick to Forex and metal. But if you already trade indices, I can navigate the indices markets. By all means, choose indices, right? But as beginners, we strictly choose Forex. And why we say metal? Because we trade gold. So gold is a metal, right? So on pattern type, we're going to be strictly choosing BAT and Gatli. So every other thing you want to turn it off, right? You want to turn them off, right? So you strictly turn on BAT and Gatli. So scroll, then under pattern type, leave only bullish and bearish, turn off unknown. You can take this screenshot and then use it to do yours. So once you have done this, you tap settings back. So please tap on settings back. Great. So you come down to security as well. Click on security. Okay. So you have your major pairs turned on. So minor and exotic, right? For minor and exotic, you can choose certain pairs. So scroll. We're going to choose some pairs. I always turn off my minor and exotic. I'm not interested in trading any minor and exotic. You understand? But there are some selected pairs that we always trade. So come up, let's go and choose the pairs. So choose AUDCHF, select that. Select AUDJPY. Okay, so the next one is CHFJPY. Yes, Euro AUD as well. Okay, so scroll down. Okay, so you have GBP card. Tap on security again. Okay, so GBP card, good. So scroll down. GBP NZD on that GBP card. Okay, so the second row. No, the second row, still that same part. We have 2 rows of pairs. The second row, AUD NZD, card CHF, card JPY, Euro card, Euro NZD, GBP AUD, NZD card, scroll. Okay, great. So that's those. are the few pairs or minor and exotic that we trade. So under bonds, scroll. Let's see. Under bonds, we don't have any pair under bonds, so turn it off. Under indices, turn it off. Scroll. I'm thinking about if I should put commodity for you or turn it off. Then metal, choose gold, XAUUSD. Great. Did you choose silver? Let's just leave that. Okay. So XAUUSD, amazing. So you want to click on security back. Great. So let's save the setup we just did. Right. So click the drop down that says view. Click on it. We want to save this new setup we have. So name it OK's money. So you know that it's not the first setup. So type amazing. So you want to click the plus sign beside it so that it saves. Amazing. How easy is that? Okay, so come up. We're going to go and do the notification setup as well because your notification is what is connected to your phone. So click on your menu line. Come to notification. So let's choose settings. So we'll select 5, 15, and 30. Amazing. Pattern type. Okay, so turn off butterfly. Turn on bat. Turn off head and shoulders range, cup and handle, and like turn off everything except bat and gatly. Okay, so scroll. Our pattern type bullish and bearish, amazing. Pattern status D, point D. Yeah, great. So tap on settings back. Tap on watch list. Let's add some crypto pairs. So you have Forex major, Forex minor should be turned off. So we're going to add new symbol. So let's add BTC USDT. Tap on your watch list again. We want to add new symbols, some symbols. So click on add new symbol, BTC USDT. So it pops up. You click on it. It says symbol added to watch list. Tap on your watch list again. Add another symbol, LTC USDT. Pops up. You click on it. Amazing. So whichever symbol you just want to focus on, you don't want to miss any signal on it, you can also add it as well. So that's that about setting up your Manara. And then you click this Telegram icon. Can we see this icon beaming below in blue with the Telegram icon? It says the Telegram bot. So once you've done your setup, that's when you click the bot. If you click the bot and you didn't do your setup, you need to now do your setup again, right? Then click the bot, right? And go. So click the bot. Let it direct us into our Telegram. Once you click the bot, click it. It takes you directly into Telegram. It's connected. So you want to type alerts. I see that you've done yours previously and your pairs are accurate with the right start of the bearish gately, amazing. So you want to click on alerts. No, we're for people that have not done this too, remember? So for those persons who have not, you type alerts, right? With S, then you send it. It's going to ask you for your mail. It's going to ask you for your authenticated token. Now, where do you find this, right? It says you can find this under accounts, under my account, authenticated token. So let's go to our software on account. So go back to Manara, the software itself. So click on the menu line. Remember, I told us accounts. So click on the menu line. Can you see accounts? So click on accounts, right? So look at authenticated token here. So you just copy that. So you click on that, you copy, and you basically go and paste it on your Telegram. So let's go paste it. You know, if you minimize, you can just like take it from there instead of like trying to go back and open apps. So successfully subscribed. Amazing. See how easy this is, right? So that's how to basically do your Manara setup. Angie, please, what's next on the list? Let me check. I think, okay, so this should be about copy and paste. So if you don't have a demo, we're going to open a demo right now. And yeah, we're going to, the next thing we're doing is learning how to copy and paste. So for those persons who don't know how to, or if you're having one or two issues with effectively copying and pasting, right? So this is why we've entered that session, right? So go back. Yeah, you get notification, definitely. That's no problem. So go to your MetaTrader 4 or 5. If you don't have it, simply download it from your app or Play Store. It's very easy, guys. You can just search it out and download it. Remember, we're doing this together. I'm just using a case screen to guide us so we can have something to view. So if I'm saying A, you are seeing the A, you know what to look for. You know how A looks like, right? So this is his MetaTrader 5. If you've not downloaded, just go and download it from your app or Play Store. Just search MetaTrader 5. It will bring it out for you and you download it, right? It's very, very easy. Once you download it, sign in and open a demo. Sign in. Sign in and open a demo. So I don't know who has not. Let me use someone else. Okay, so you can stop sharing for now. Let me use someone else so everybody can be practical with it. Who has not signed, just indicate in the chat box. Who does not have a MetaTrader 5 demo signed in? Let's use that person to guide everyone else. Just indicate on the chat with a 1. You have not opened a demo account. Drop a 1 on the chat. Okay, so I'm going to assume that everybody here has a demo account. So we can continue, okay? Please, let's continue, sir. So you can share your screen. So we'll just continue on the copy and paste part. Amazing, thank you. Okay, so we spoke about all the Telegram groups. So let's go to Telegram and then so we can see all the groups we joined. Go back. So you have 5 Telegram groups, guys. If you're on the Elite pack, you have 5. If you're on the Success pack, you should have 2 Telegram groups. But if you join the Spanish, you should have 3, right? So on the Elite pack, you should have minimum of 5, maximum of 7, but minimum of 5. So You have Manara Trade Ideas and Session. Pin these groups, guys. I see that you have. Thank you so much. So you have Manara Trade Ideas and Session, 650 pips in 48 hours. That's money. First, a Manara training, Eminus Trade Ideas. We already know that Eminus Trade Ideas, like they send signals. So open it, click on it and open it so everyone can see. Right? So I didn't talk about opening orders because there's security on it. You won't see nothing. So this was today. This idea was dropped today by 2:05. It says GBP USD buy now. Right? So this was the trade idea that was dropped. Right? It gave a zone to buy, stop loss, and all of that. We're going to use it to practice our copy and paste. So go back. Right? So you have these 5 signal groups where you take ideas from every single day. Then your Manara FX, right? There's a strategy on how to take trades on Manara, right? There's a 7 rule setup. We did a training on that. I'll share the training video on the group if you don't have it already, if your mentor has not sent it to you already, because I know like that one, I know our coach is going to fail in that. If you've done your the necessary step, once it gets to Manara, they always send that training video, right? So go back. And now we're going to be talking about copy and paste. So the beautiful thing about this space is that you get to make money from every single aspect. So let's go to WhatsApp so I can highlight on the WhatsApp signal group, because it's very important that we also notice that there's such a thing as that, right? Yes, the EA trade ideas. So when sometimes it's the ideas that are on Telegram that they forward here as well, because you find some people, they won't even open their Telegram. So that's why this space is just to make sure that you're not even, money is not flying over your head in any way and in any form. But if you have access to these things, you find out Pluto's idea is being sent here, but you have access to Pluto's, right? If you have access to Pluto's, make use of it. Go back to your Telegram. Go back to your Telegram. Where's your Pluto's? Did you join the Telegram link on Pluto's? When you got it? Let's go and join it if you've not joined it. So go to your back office back. No, that's your learner club. Close that. Can you see the one that says access Manara now? That's your back office. The one that says access Manara, yeah, then just click the menu line. Come to Pluto's. So scroll down. Okay, come up. This is Nigel. Click the Telegram link. Join. Amazing. Okay, so go back, join the other one. Just minimize, like from here, minimize your iPhone. No, let me teach you how to minimize. Go back to your Telegram. Go back to your Telegram. Can you minimize your phone? Do you know how to minimize? Like you just tap on your screen and minimize your screen. Go back. Go back to your back office. You know, you can literally minimize and just tap on that screen. So join Pluto's Trade Ideas with Birth. Click on the Telegram link as well. So you've joined. Amazing. Go back. So you have 7. You have 7 signal groups. You should be making like 1,000 USD, not £1,000, nothing less. So yeah, you can only pay unless you move to the premium. So what you want to do is make sure that you are always here. Like once you wake up or you're free or regardless of whatever your schedule is like, come here and take trades. So some of these ideas is what is being sent to the WhatsApp signal group. You find people that are not even on Plutos, they are trading Plutos because one of our amazing coaches decided to send Pluto's ideas there, and people that are not on Pluto's are making money from Pluto's. So that's the beauty of being plugged into such a community as this. So go back to your WhatsApp. You've passed WhatsApp. So you knew how to minimize. Why were you not stressing? Click on WhatsApp. No, look at WhatsApp. Mr. Okay. It's soft live, soft live. So let's go. I wanted to show guys. So pin these 2 groups. If you don't have them pin them. EA Trade Ideas and EA Cornucopia. Make sure that they are pinned. Like, don't snooze on those 2 groups. So let's go and learn copy and paste. We've already spent 1 hour. Amazing. Okay, go to your MetaTrader 5. Minimize is already an open tab. Okay, so here, copy and paste is easy, but you just need to follow instructions. If you have a problem following instruction, then you might struggle with copy and paste. One thing about copy and paste is that you're leveraging people who are already experienced. You're leveraging experts, people who have years of experience trading the financial market. Those are the people that you're copying and pasting their trade. So 2 things that you must bring in. Don't bring in your own personal sense. Drop it. So you want to like follow to the last, to the tail, to the T, to the I, follow every single thing. And it's easy because every single thing you're going to do is going to be spelled out. You just need to be able to interpret what is being spelled out. So that's what we're going to be learning right now. So go back to your Telegram group. We're going to be taking minimize. Thank you. Close this pobo. In fact, anything that we're not using, just close it. TikTok close, everything close. This now you trade, so you have to be watchful of what takes up your memory and all of those things, because you don't want to be closing a trade and you are finding out that the trade is not closing because of storage or something or network issue. So your Telegram, minimize and go to your Telegram. Okay, so guys, just watch what we're doing. So choose administrate ideas. It's already telling us close half plus 20 pips plus 20 pips, move SL to entry, that's break even, right? So we're going to be learning all of these things, right? So this was a trade idea that was called come up. So it says GBP USD. So when you see a trade idea like this, GBP USD, it says buy now. Anytime you see buy gold now, sell now, buy GBP USD now, as far as they're telling you now, right? Just know that it's instant execution. Know that it's instant. Like you're buying at that time, you're buying here. They're even giving us a price to look out for, right? So this says GBP USD buy now 1.26773. So basically, buying is is easy. We have a price at hand. It's just like when you're going to your regular market. You know that, oh, you are going to buy so products for 250, this in 250 naira or dollars or pounds, right? So you have a price in mind when you're going to the market. So it says GBP USD buy now at, gave a price zone 1.26773. Now note that this trade idea was dropped for some time, so it has already gone into some profits, but let's still go and buy since it's instant execution and it has not gotten to TP1, right? So let's go and buy. It's very easy. We'll go to our MetaTrader 5. Look for the pair GBP USD. You search it out. Click on trade. So, okay, modify. Guys, so how to modify is he just bought straight away. Hold on, Mr. Okay. So he just bought straight away because it's instant execution. So at instant execution, you just go straight. TP is take profit. That's why you need to visit your ECA. It's very important. Like, that's your one stop, your first stop, right? So TP is take profit. So you have everything written out for you. So like I said, once you see something like buy now, just go and buy first, right? So that's what he just did. So go back, go to the trade idea. Go to the trade idea on your Telegram. Be snappy, be snappy. So it says buy now. Look at our SL. SL means stop loss. TP means take profit. TP1 means take profit 1. TP2, they didn't give a particular zone. So we're going to put TP1. Guys, mind you that this trade was dropped earlier. So us entering this buy now is a late entry because they gave a zone to buy at. They said buy now at 1.26673. Where we bought is definitely not 1.268 because how do I know? The trade has already done 20 plus pips. Scroll down. Scroll. Yes, look at. They're giving us updates on the trade they called, right? It said close half plus 20 pips, move SL. It's already telling us that, okay, the trade has already done 20 pips in profit. For some persons who like to enter multiple positions, they will already tell you close half. It has done 20 pips in profit. And if you want to leave the trade still running, you move your stop loss to break even. You move your SL like break even. I'm going to show you how to do that, right? So now you have bought. So let's look at our stop loss and type it very easily, guys. So we have our stop loss at 1.26368. Remember, copy and paste is easy because you're just simply copying in numbers that experts have given you. Don't assume numbers for yourself and don't try to do things on your own. Just copy and paste. So we have our stop loss at 1.26368. So let's go and put that in. So go to your MetaTrader 5. So because you sold, you have to click the modify button. So you drag your icon to the side, click the pencil icon. So you click that. It brings out a parameter for you to put your stop loss and your take profit. So what is our stop loss, right? So go and check it out. Or who was following us and wrote it down on the chat? Our stop loss is what? Have you seen it? You need to check it out. So what's the take profit? Take profit is 127,373. Okay. $127, take profit 127,373. Okay, modify. Click modify. Is that easy? That's just how to copy and paste. Like some persons just say that, I just did this. I don't understand what I'm doing. Like, you don't need to understand it yet because it's new to you. But what you want to understand is how to follow the instruction and follow it well. Because a lot of time you have people who have never traded before, so you're just telling them to type numbers after they've heard about trading, and you're saying it's just typing in numbers only. So it sounds like it's not. They want something more technical. No, it doesn't have to be, because you're already leveraging the experiences of people, so it doesn't have to have a hassle, right? So it's simply copying and pasting number. That's as basic as it is. It now gets complex where you now say, okay, they gave an entry. Remember, they gave us an entry to enter at, but we were taking this trade idea late. So we're not entering at the price they gave us. We saw the price they gave us. Go back to the idea. Right? So it says buy now at 1.26773. That was the price. We are buying later than that. So our price range is different. So people that bought at this price, they've already made 20 pips plus. So by 20 pips, it means that if you took the trade with 0.01, the lowest lot size, you're already in $2+ profit. If you took it with 0.10, you already made $20 plus, or 20 pounds plus. If you took it with, let me say 0.15, you've made $30 to $40 plus. It just varies like that depending on your lot size, right? So that's another thing I want to talk about, right? So we know that once we see a trade idea like this, buy now, sell gold now, sell GBP, JPY now, is instant execution. Just know that you're going into the market to hit the buy button straight up or the sell button straight up. So then you modify and put your stop loss and take profit. I like to talk about buying first before you put your stop loss and take profit, because look at what happened today. Before that idea, that gold trade idea, that was what it happened yesterday and it happened today again with the BTC, with crypto. Before some people were even, when the trade idea was, but before some people even put their stop loss and TP, the time was already done TP2, TP1, TP2, like it was so fast. So imagine that you were trying to type your TP and your stop loss and TP before you even take the trade, before you buy or sell. Market has left you, people have made money. So it's important that you just follow the instruction, buy first, because it says buy now at. Then you modify, put your stop loss and TP needs to run away. So, but you see that zone they gave you, it can run away. Market can move from there. So that's just what you need to take note of. Then let's go and try to take a pending order, because a lot of people don't know what that is. So go back. Let's go to our WhatsApp signal group. I think we have a pending order there, or Manara trade ideas and session. Let's take from the WhatsApp signal group now, so that persons know how to maximize the two places. Okay, so EA trade ideas. So this one that says approaching TP, let's take that one. So click on it, so it takes us to the idea. So okay, yeah, it's the trade that we took. Okay, we've taken down. So do you see that is even sometimes, most times actually, it's the trade on the Telegram group that is being forwarded here, because some people, like, their Telegram notification is not even on, they don't see it. So come up, let's look for some idea. To say sell BTC USD. Come up. So brokers vary based on your location, right? XNext is not available to us here in the UK, but it's available to people in Nigeria and in Canada. It's not available for people in the US and in the UK. So brokers vary based on your location. So once you're ready to go live, you can always reach out to your coach or sponsor, and they can recommend a broker for you. because like for some of my team members in the UK, we use VT Markets, we use XM, right? We don't use XNext. So I know some of my mentees in Nigeria use XM, they use XNext. Yeah. So it just varies based on your location. One of my mentees in the US is Masari Capital Vantage. So it varies based on your location. Do you understand? So you can always just reach out to your sponsor. They always have a better idea of what to use. Yes, we're going to do that. Oh, definitely. But that trade has to, like, we took the trade late, so we needed to like do some movements in profit before I talk about break even so that you can understand it well. So this idea says sell Euro JPY. We've already known how to take instant execution. I want us to take a pending order. So when you see something like buy XAUS, it's instant. I'm trying to look for a pending order so we can basically try to take that. Okay, go back. Let's check the Telegram group. So go back. Out of Eminus. No, out of Eminus. There are other groups. Let's check. Forex and Manara training. Open that. So we can't see it. So you'll be the one to see it. So just let us know if you can see anything with buy limit or sell limit. Check. Let me check mine too. Okay. Okay, no, we don't have any recent idea. Okay, so go back. We don't have any recent pending order. What do we do? Come to Manara trade idea. No, we won't put that. Okay, come to administrate ideas again. Come up. Okay, hold on. Look at this USD CHF sell limit. Okay. Click on it so it takes us to the idea. Okay. Guys, so look at this idea. How did I know that it's a pending order? Because it has sell limit on it. So the instructions will always tell you what kind of trade you are doing, right? So what are you doing? Are you selling or buying? The instructions will have it. Where are you buying at? Those price zones? Like if it's a pending order, if it's not a pending, like it will always come with the trade ideas. Everything you need to do it will be clear what you need to do. So you're not going there to go and start figuring things out, or just follow what you are seeing, what they are telling you to do, just follow it. Right? So you have USD guys. So this is already a gone trade, but I needed us to take it. There was no pending order trades today that was being sent out from any of the groups. It was all market and instant execution or market execution. But I wanted to take a limit order so we know how to take trades like when we see it, because definitely you will come across such. So you can know how to take it. It's not like when you see it, you don't know what to do and money is flying over your head. So this is what is called a pending order. So pending order are future trades, right? So at the time it's being given, market is not yet at that entry, and it's a future trade. It's something that's going to happen in the nearest future. So somebody's like saying, okay, market is going to come to 20, but market is not at 20 yet. So we can take a trade in advance for the zone that market is going to come to. Now, people often ask me, so how do I know when the trade is activated, right? So you know when it starts moving. Like if you take a pending order, it's just going to be like, it's not going to be active, running in blue or red. It's not going to be active. But once it hits the zone that we set, activate, it starts running, and you can see it very obvious that is being active. So let's go and try to take this trade idea. So the pair says USD CHF sell limit at 86,572. So guys, let me know that people are with me. Somebody should take note of this entry and type it on the chat. Let me know, like, because you guys are very quiet. I don't know if you are really following. So let's someone do that. Let's do that, right? So let's go all, because we're all doing this together, right? I'm just using screen to guide us, right? So USDCHF sell limits. Please take note of the price, guys. Somebody should write it on the chat. Sell limits at, thank you, Oni. Okay, so sell limit at, so let's go and take this trade idea. USDCHF. So you go to your MetaTrader 5. You come to quotes and look for the pair. You come to quotes because definitely that's where all the pairs are. If you've searched through, you didn't see that USDCHF, then you type. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. So USDCHF, you click on trade. Right? So now we know that they told us sell limits. Let's go and look at the idea. It's a sell limit, right? Minimize. Let's check it out. Right? So it says sell limit at, they've already written out the price for us in the chat. So I know everyone is following with us, right? Okay, so let's go and change it to sell limit. Okay, so you click on the drop down that has, drag my zoom icon down so you can see the drop down well. Okay, great. So you see the instant execution has a drop down arrow. Everybody, you have this on your MetaTrader 5. Make sure you're doing this with us. Now, you know the trade idea said sell limit. So you come and choose sell limit. Just select it. It's not an instant execution trade, it's sell limit. So you choose sell limit. Very simple, right? So you now have price, right? Remember the price zone. We all wrote it on the chart, right? So it's 0.86572. So you put your price 0.86572. Very simple. Now your stop loss, where are they asking us to put as our stop loss? So stop loss, they're all pending orders. So sell stop, buy stop. Buy is for buying now. Like you have sell limit and buy limit. So sell stop, buy stop, the same thing, right? They're all pending orders, like their future trades. It's just the same way we are taking a sell limit. We have what is called buy limit. When you're going to buy a trade, remember we do two things in the market: we buy and we sell, right? So sell limit, buy limit, sell stop, buy stop, they're all pending orders, right? So that's what you basically need to take note of when you're going to go and place a trade. So put in your stop loss, right? What is our stop loss? Guys, are you with us? Type it out on the chat. 0.87. Somebody should type out the stop loss. Somebody should type out the take profit one. Okay. Our TP guys, who's going to type that out for us? Okay, so let's go put it in. Guys, do you see like the amount of time being taken to type in your stop loss and take profit? That's why I always say for instant execution, right? Just go and sell first before you are putting your stop loss and take profit. Do you understand? Because once you sell first for instant execution, you've already started the trade. And once it's going in profit, you're already making money. But for sell limit, remember, it's a future trade that is coming. So we can calm down and type whatever we want to type. Do you understand? So our stop loss, guys, I see some messages in the chat. Our stop loss is 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. 0.87025. Okay, then our TP1, our take profits, 0.85 85972. So place, I'm thinking this trade might not be able to place because it's very close. Okay, it did. It's actually very close to the TP. Okay. All right, guys. So this is how, once you take a pending order, this is how it is. Basically, it's just like inactive. Once you get to that price zone that we selected, it just basically starts moving. Now, let's talk about break even. So how do you break even and what does break even means? Right? So break even simply means is another word for securing your profits and is another word for moving SL to entry. So you always see someone says move SL to entry or BE. BE, that BE means break even, like B for break, E for even. So BE, you sometimes see BE plus, right? So it means like you break even, right? So how do you break even? Like I highlighted before, that one of the words simply means moving your SL to entry. Now, for some of us, we know that we took this GBP USD late, right? Guys, you know, they gave a price, but we did not sell at that price because we saw the idea late, right? So we sold at, can you see the first digit, the first numbers under the GBP USD by 0.02? Can we see the first number? Can we see the first number? Okay, good. So the first number says 1.26951. If you notice, the first number is not moving. Guys, can you see that it's not moving? It's the second one that is moving. The first one is not moving. The second one is moving. So the first one that's not moving, that's where we entered at. Sometimes they'll tell you buy gold. Now you just gonna buy immediately. So the first number that you bought at, that first price that you're seeing, that's the price you bought at. If somebody say, oh, where did you buy at? Oh, I sold at 1 point, or I bought at 1.26951. So now they are not telling you that that's your entry. That's where you entered the market at. So if someone now says move SL to entry, you've already understood that this 1.26951 is your entry. So break even, that simply means moving SL to entry. And why do you do that? You do that because you want to secure your profits. Your trade has already done 10 plus pips or 20 plus pips. That's when you break even. You don't just break even randomly. No. You break even when your trades have done about 10 or 20 plus pips. That's when you break even, right? So, and how do you know? So I'm going to refer a lot of people back to their ECA to go and know how to calculate pips, but I'm going to give you a very hack, like a hack. Let me say a hack of how to know if your trade has done 10 plus pips. Because I know as beginners, like some of you, all of this information is just feel like it's too much knowledge at once. So let me just give you a short hack of how to know once your trade has done 10 plus pips. If you trade with 0.02, if your trade has done 10 plus pip, you will have $2+. Because it means this 0.02 lot size means that 20 cents per pip. 20 cents per pip. So 10 pips is $2. 10 pips is $2. So for you that are trading with 0.01, 10 plus pips is $1+. Once you see this stuff that is in minus 0.44, if it's on $1+, or £1+ pounds, right, is done 10 plus. But we saw that educator told us go back to your Telegram group. Eminus, he said the trade has done 20 plus pips, that we should break even, right? On your Telegram group, the Eminus trade idea. Scroll down. It said close half plus 20 pips, then move SL to BE, right? So go back. It has already done 20 pips. So imagine if we bought, at the price they gave us, this trade is already on, like, is in profit. It's not this loss that you are encountering. The trade is not a loss. That's what affects a lot of people, right? You see them losing trades when the trade is actually in profit. People, there's no reason for you to lose because the trade is in profit. But you saw that our late entry is affecting our win ratio. So why some person have already done $2, right? $2+ with the lowest lot size, which is 0.01, and somebody on 0.02 has done £4+ or $4+. Somebody with 0.10 at 10 has done $20+ or £20+ personally. Now that we're taking this trade, look at his mind, it's not even up to any cent, even 10 cents. Do you understand how taking a trade late impacts your profit or your loss, right? So that's another thing. But because we know that this trade is not yet at TP1, so we can still say, okay, yeah, once you get to TP, I'll be in profit. Before it gets to TP, I'll be in profit. That's your own, So basically, that's just it. So now, break even is moving SL to entry. Now, we already know our entry as 1.26951, right? So what is your stop loss? We saw that they gave us our stop and we put it in. So we want to modify. So slide, let's go and modify. Click your pencil. So the stop loss is what? 126,368. Go back. So guys, let's type the entry on the chat box, the entry that we entered this trade idea. Let me see if we're actually following. Type the entry, GBP USD. Type the entry. Look at it. There is clear and glaring. Type the entry in the chat, guys. Let me see. Okay. 1.26951. Amazing, right? So break even simply means moving your SL to entry. So let's go and move our SL to the entry. So modify. Okay, so your stop loss is what? 1.26368. We want to break even. Guys, remember that you only break even when your trade has done what? 20+ pip or 10+ pip. I already gave you a hack of how to know. If you are trading with 0.01, if your trade has done $1 plus, it has done 10+ pips. If it does $2 plus, it has done 10+ pips on the lowest lot size of 0.01. But here we have 0.02. So 10+ pips is $2+. 20+ pip, like the educator was telling us, he said 20+ pips. That's already $40+ plus, because we're $4 rather, $4+ plus, because we are trading with the second lowest lot size, which is that's the mini lot of 0.02. So that's already $4+ or £4+ or €4+, depending on the currency that you're trading on, right? So that's just it. And if it does, like, if you're trading with a higher lot size like that, so right, so that's when you break even. You don't just break even randomly. No, your trade must have done some amount of pips and profit. So you break even. Why are you breaking even? To secure your profits, because the market is not your father's own. It's not my father's own, right? So you break even to secure your profits, right? So now, like we said, moving your stop loss to your entry, we've already dropped our entry on the chart. So let's change our stop loss. Whatever you have as your stop loss, you just move it, change it to your entry. Our entry is 12695. 6951. Right? So that's, do you see that it couldn't modify because that trade is not in profit? So you only break even when your trade is in profits. Like it has done a reasonable amount, about 10 plus. I like to say, you saw the educator did 20 plus, but I like to say 10 plus pips or 20 plus pips, right? So I personally, once a trade has done 10 plus pips, I can even close it safe. I'll break even when I want to leave the trade to ride to TP. That's when I break even, right? But personally, if I open like 2 or 3 positions, I don't do multiple positions. It's not a, especially if you're not on a funded account. By funded account, if you're not trading a profit account, there's no need of opening multiple positions on your trade, because before you've made money, your brokers have made money. So why are you dashing free money away? Money that you'd have made or kept as equity, you've given it to your broker. So I'm not a party to multiple position, and it doesn't spell risk management. So you're moving your stop loss to your entry. That's just basically what break even is. So, right, you've seen clearly, right? So once you change that, you just click modify. But because this trade is not in profit, it doesn't allow us the option to modify. That's why you only modify when your trade has done 10 plus or 20 plus pips. So erase that, erase the stop loss, clean it completely. Just go back. So we're not modifying anything. So just go back. I just needed to show you that. So once you move your SL to entry, if you're in profit, the modify button will pop up. So you click modify, right? So thank you, everyone. We'll be taking on any questions from now. So we've checked all boxes. We've done ECA. We've joined the Telegram groups. We've done the Manara setup. We've talked about copy and paste. We talked about even some intricate parts of what you need to know on the copy and paste section. So I would like to take questions now. If your account is not a $500 account, right? You don't have any business opening gold in more than 2 positions with 0.02 or 0.0. Like, you don't have any business opening gold in more than 2 positions. I don't want to be calling account size, but if like, just take a particular pair to at least twice. If you've taken gold, take it twice. 1 pair, take it twice. Don't sell or buy gold. You enter into 5 positions, and then because you don't control which trade goes well and which trade does not, there are people that manipulate the market. If Elon Musk is coming with 10 billion and is trading the financial market and is hoping to make 0.00000, not even up to 1% of his account size, you with your $200, you want to make 10% a day and go, right? So your risk has to be very tight. Your risk management has to be very tight and top notch. Once you make your 10% or 10 plus, for people who have maybe your daily target is 10% to 12% daily. Once you make it, stop trading for that day. Go and be learning. Or go and do other things. If you have other things that you do, go and do other things. If you don't have other things to do, go to your ECA. Learn. It's a high income skill set. If you know it, you've known it for life. Nobody can take it away from you. You can travel to the different countries and be your own boss. Be making money from the comfort of wherever you are. So someone says, for Sarah, can I fund the $10? No, you cannot. You cannot. Like, what will you trade now? I don't even think no broker is going to even allow you. Like, No, like there's no broker that you can even fund with $10. Just like, frankly speaking, there is no broker on earth right now or existing that is regulated, because I know that some brokers are not regulated, so it's like throwing your money away. So regulated brokers, there's no such a broker.